The top 5 fastest roller coasters. 5. Superman Escape from Krypton, 100 miles per hour. It is a steel shuttle roller coaster at Six Flags Magic Mountain Park in Valencia of California. The liner's synchronous motors will accelerate this roller coaster from 0 to 100 miles per hour in just 7 seconds. It is a 415-foot tall tower, and it holds the distinction of being the first coaster to reach 100 miles per hour. When it debuted in 1997 as Superman the Escape, it was the world's tallest, fastest coaster. 4. Dodonpa, 107 miles per hour. Dodonpa is the fastest roller coaster in Japan, located at Fuji-Q Highland Amusement Park in Yamanashi. The ride goes up to a speed of 107 miles per hour in 1.8 seconds. The Fuji-Q Highland coaster races up and down a 170-foot top hat tower at 90 degrees. The whole ride clocks in at 55 seconds. 3. Top Thrill Dragster, 120 miles per hour. It is the second fastest coaster in the United States, situated in the state of Ohio. The ride will accelerate from 0 to 120 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. Then it starts ascending the 412-foot tall steel hill with an inclination of 90 degrees. The train also follows a 270-degree twist upon its descending from the hill. 2. King Dakar, 128 miles per hour. King Dakar is the fastest roller coaster in the United States. It was the fastest coaster in the world for a few years, but it has since been eclipsed. It's still the tallest, however. It will cover the 3,118-foot-long track in just 28 seconds. The journey through upside-down track with blazing speed also makes weightlessness among riders. 1. Formula Rossa, 150 miles per hour. Formula Rossa is the fastest roller coaster in the world, with a top speed of 150 miles per hour. This roller coaster is located in Ferrari World of Abu Dhabi. Formula Rossa accelerates from 0 to its top speed of 150 miles per hour in just 5 seconds. Such blazing acceleration is 4.8 times faster than that of freefall. The ride starts inside the indoor theme park, accelerates through the dome, travels outside the park, and returns to the loading station inside the building. The train's cars look like flashy red Formula One Ferraris. The ride will cover 2.2 kilometers or 1.37 miles in 1.32 minutes.